So I try to figure out why the functions are not working, and honestly, I have no idea why it's not working. It could be because of the loan that I'm using, but I will see if it does the same thing again to the last loan I'm going to show you. If not, it's probably my Excel that's probably not working well. We'll see. We'll see. Okay, so I'm just going to rename this to equal principal payment loan. And now I'm going to copy and paste this all over because we're going to be using the same information. We're going to be using the same information again, and I just don't want to rewrite it again since I already showed you guys how to do it. So let's do this all over. Okay, great. So the last one I'm going to show you guys is equal payment loan, which means we're going to have the same total payment for all the periods. And in order to find out what our total payment is going to be each year or each month, we're going to use the payment function. So I'm going to do the payment function up here. And we're going to use the monthly rate, number of periods, present value, which is the loan balance. And that should be it. We're going to lock the rate and lock the loan balance. Oh, I should have locked it over here. It's okay. I'll lock it now. Total payment's the same, so we're just going to drag that all the way down. And once again, the process is pretty much the same. So we're just going to do it again. Beginning balance is whatever we have up here. This will be the beginning balance times the monthly rate. And we're going to lock the rate. PPMT. Now, in order to find the PPMT, remember how we were able to find total payment? In the second one, we did interest payment plus principal payment to get the total payment. And now we're just using basic algebra in order to find, it's basically A plus B is equal to C, and now we're finding C. In order to find the variable C, we have to subtract B from A. So, or total payment minus interest payment in this case. So total payment minus interest payment. Ending principal is going to be the same process. Beginning principal minus principal payment. We got that correct. Do we have to lock anything? Nope. And we're going to bring this ending balance to the second period. And I think now we can just drag it down one more time. See if we got the values correct. And it looks like we do. This was correct. That's good. Oh. And that's good. So now let's just drag this down all the way. Oops. All the way down. And we got the ending balance of 0. Great. So now I am hoping I can show you guys the functions now, and hopefully it works for me. And if it doesn't, well, I'm going to try to figure it out. PMT function. I'm just going to call it the same. Okay, so we're going to write PMT, and use the monthly rate, the period for that specific period, total periods, the present value, which is the loan balance, we're going to lock the rate and the period and the loan balance. And drag it down. See, and now it works, guys. So I think the functions only work for this type of loan. I'm not completely sure, but if that's the case, well, I don't know. I guess this is how Excel works. So the second one's correct. And it's all correct. See how these values are all correct? This value is the same as this value. So this one is also going to be the same. We're going to make it a lighter color. See that? And now we can just drag everything down all the way. And this is the same value. Let's see. Oh no. Something is wrong. I must have... Something is wrong.